Today, we're looking at the watts to amps interactive calculator, an essential tool for electrical engineers and technicians who need to quickly convert between power and current in various circuit configurations. Whether you're sizing conductors, selecting circuit breakers, or verifying equipment specifications, this calculator streamlines those critical electrical calculations. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have the calculation mode dropdown, which offers 6 options. DC circuit watts to amps, single-phase AC watts to amps, 3-phase AC watts to amps, DC circuit amps to watts, single-phase AC amps to watts, and 3-phase AC amps to watts. For our demonstration, I'll select single-phase AC watts to amps, a common scenario in residential and light commercial applications. Next, we have the power field, where you enter power in watts. The voltage field is where you input your system voltage. For AC circuits, there's a power factor field with 0.8 shown as typical. Finally, there's an efficiency percentage field, suggesting 95 as a typical value. Let's work through a real example. I'm calculating the current draw for a 2400-watt single-phase motor operating at 240 volts. I'll enter 2400 in the power field, 240 in the voltage field, 0.85 for power factor since motors typically have better power factors, and 92 for efficiency percentage, which is realistic for a modern motor. After clicking Calculate, the result shows 12.77 amps. This current output tells you the actual amperage flowing through your conductors, critical for proper wire sizing and overcurrent protection selection. One key insight: always use actual measured power factor values when available, as assuming 0.8 can lead to undersized components in high-efficiency installations. Find the link in the description below.